So, hello. I'm here na in the Philippines. Mag-real talk ta karon, ha? Okay. So, maayo pa rin sa ako. We have calamansi plant here. Magkuan ra ko. Mag-harvest ra ko because I'm going to eat. Saan na gina? Ano ba itong pangalan, anak? Uy! Oh, matag kuan. Kanang hilaw na saging ba? Sama na siya kanang dili ripe na banana, not the small bananas that you eat. You have to cook it. So i-boil lang nimo siya and then you mag-dip ka og ginamos. Sama nang ginamos fermented something. So you have to have calamansi, di ba? Ana mo siya Bisaya maguro ni siya na kuan. Na kada bitong kuan na saging, hilaw na saging niya. Butangan nimo siya, ana nimo siya sa bagoong ginamos or bagoong with lemoncito. And tangan mo sili agay kalami. Paghamig lemon diri oh. Pero mura man siya gahi pa man siya. Hindi siya makaon. Kani. I found one. Oh, di ba? Na may kalamunggay. I got two. So this is okay na. Whoop! Passing by the mango tree. Okay, duhan na. Okay, this is the bagoong. Oh, na sili and then squeeze lemon juice. Ana ra na siya. Dai. Okay? Paspas ra dai. Okay? Oh, lami, di ba? Nya to ang
A few moments later.
so, ano ko duha? Actually, I already ate two. Nakakaulog ko duha. Normal ba na siya mukhaon kag upat? Upat kay gan. Ano siya? Mag-real talk ta ba? Nga naman, malingaw ko kaog ingon ani. I love eating these things. Basta mga atong mga kanabitang lami on a restaurant diri kay. Lami on a restaurant, the nice restaurants, they serve food, Filipino food. I want to eat the Filipino food man when I'm here because steaks and pastas, mga fries, pizzas, mura man gud na usually mo na ginakauna mo sa balay. Back in Australia, that's like food that we eat there normally. So I really miss this. Like these things, oh, waiting na ako oh. Diba? Hilaw na saging. Anaon mo sa ginamos. Oh, ginamos with something. So, naman ka. Diba? You cannot buy this in restaurants here. Yeah, if I go to a restaurant na very nice, tapos I still eat Filipino food, mas lami. My dad cooks very nice food man. Filipino food, really yummy. So, why would I go out to eat? Not really. Like, I love my dad's cooking Filipino food. He cooks good. So, I usually go out with my parents and they order. Tapos ako, I just eat little because I really want to eat at home. So, I will always tell my dad, okay, order, but I'm still gonna eat your cooking. So, muna mo ang, ano siya dahil? My post is all about the simple Filipino food, which, mind you, you don't really buy the same